PubDocs, eCode360's document management solution, provides admin users with a secure, centralized online portal where they can upload, search, and view municipal documents anytime. Simply choose a document type from the Public Documents menu. Then click the Add Document button. PubDocs allows you to upload a wide variety of formats, including Word, Excel, PDF, and image files. You can even upload audio files or links to videos. To begin the upload process, click the Upload button, select the file you wish to add, and click Open. From the drop-down box, select an existing category where you wish to place your uploaded file. Dating your document will simplify sorting later. Click on the Date field to display a calendar. Then select the date the document was approved. To choose a different year, click the year that is showing and scroll to the appropriate year. Navigate to the month and choose the date. Click the OK button, then click Save. That's all there is to it. Thanks for joining us. See you next time.